Our industry is in the spotlight of the global megatrends sustainability and urbanization. High availability, reliability, and efficient maintenance have since become the key success factors. Our focus on availability solutions, environmental improvements, process optimization, and lifetime expansion addresses the global needs of our customers, supporting them in their mission to provide reliable, safe, and environmental friendly rail transportation. We offer customized spare part availability services, and we endeavor in one-stop shop solutions, broadening our overhaul component services even beyond our core product portfolio. Our driver advisory system leader, proven to save traction energy, and our state-of-the-art friction materials are just a few examples of our environmental improvement areas. To optimize maintenance processes, we offer condition-based service interventions, and we ensure customer quality with our holistic and digitalized training concepts. Last but not least, our focus on lifetime expansion pays into sustainable solutions by upgrading or even fully modernizing our core product portfolio. We are well prepared for our industry demands, but always eager and flexible to listen to your specific requests. Our commitment to you is based on our company's values: entrepreneurship, technical excellence, reliability and responsibility, but above all, on passion for rail. Let's get into the flow.